This is going to be a quick video on the Schliemann defense, which is a variation of the Roy Lopez. I'll go quickly through the Roy Lopez, general Roy Lopez. As you see, it starts E4, E5, knight F3, knight C6, and bishop E5. Most of the standard lines have A6 is the next appropriate, which is that, as you heard. We're not going to do that because that gives pressure immediately on the bishop to decide whether it's going to do the exchange variation by taking the knight or come back here to A4. Schliemann doesn't do that. It actually moves right against the pawn center, as you'll see. Reaction, it's an asymmetrical attack against White's decision to try to take the center. White defends, takes. Knight F6, attacking again. Now we have room to castle, bishop C5, and attacking the F2 pawn, bishop C4, attacking that ever crucial F7 spot, D6, protecting bishop and pawn, freeing up that bishop, by the way, and the introduction of the B knight. Freeing up the bishop, suggestion is the pin of the knight against the queen. But in Schliemann, we're going to go ahead and move that queen across. Make sure that if that E5 pawn is taken, that something can back it up and not put the king in serious jeopardy. Pinning knight to queen, bishop E6, attacking the bishop. Knight, as I suggested earlier, would be going to that D5, backed up by both pawn and bishop, attacking the queen. Can be taken by the knight, as you see, on F6, but you don't want to do that because you'll just lose your queen. So it takes for the bishop. Takes for the pawn. Knight to D8. D2. See what we're doing here. Okay. Looks like we're going to be moving to possibly the E4 square. Castles. Yep. E4, right. Knight F7. There we go. Connecting the rooks. Promoting the knight. Advancing the knight. Attacking that bishop on G5. Bishop goes ahead and takes that knight. Takes. Now you have an open G file, and that's why the queen takes it. Queen goes up there to try to take the king. King has to go to H8, and then it's queen E, and then queen to E6. So that's your Schliemann. From here, there's many lines, but this is your basic Schliemann.